How do you make a technical video a little bit more interesting? I mean, think about it. People are searching for things because they're after a technical solution. No, not exactly. They're after a technical solution to what may be an emotional problem. I'm in the library at the moment, which is why I'm not allowed to talk loud. So you see what I've just done there? I've engaged you. I've brought you into the story. How come Anthony is in a library? Is he talking too loud? Is he going to get in trouble? How is he recording a video? And so I'm giving you a emotional connection to a technical problem, which is your technical problem is how do I make a video that's non-boring? That's how you do it. You bring in not just what it is that you're teaching, but why you're doing it. Why do they care? Why does it matter to them?